Looking for great espresso machines to buy on Cyber Monday? Luckily, we are here to help. Here are the best deals you should consider. And the best part? We did all the work for you. Just click this link below and get real-time prices and discounts on your favorite products. Number 1. What is the best way to prepare the grinds for an even extraction? Rather than starting with bursts of high pressure, the Breville Infuser espresso machine starts with steady, low pressure to gently expand the grinds, by Breville. Number 2, pre-infusion function applies low water pressure at the start of the extraction to gently expand grinds for an even extraction. Power, 1650 watts. Thermocoil heating system with integrated stainless steel water coil, accurately controls water temperature. Auto purge function automatically adjusts water temperature after steam. For optimal espresso Number 3, the Breville Infuser espresso machine, in great cranberry red colors. Cyber Monday 2018 is already here. Click this link below for real-time prices and offers. Get yours now.